Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download logo assets from Freepik for US brands step by step clearly. Visit the Freepik website. Use the search bar at the top of the page to enter relevant terms for your logo assets. Browse through the search results to find logos that suit your brand's needs. Click on a logo that you like to open its detailed view. On the right side of the screen, check the license type for the logo asset. If it's free, you can proceed without a subscription. If it requires a premium membership, consider your options. Look for the download button, usually located below the logo image. Click on the download button. For free assets, you may need to provide attribution, so make sure to take note of that requirement. Choose the desired file format if multiple options are available. Confirm your download by clicking the button again if prompted. The file will start downloading to your device. Once the download is complete, navigate to your Downloads folder. Locate the downloaded logo asset to ensure it has been saved correctly. Open the file to verify that it meets your expectations. If any adjustments are needed, consider using graphic design software to modify the logo. Now, your logo asset is ready for use in your branding projects. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.